video is an instructional video showing how to do a screen replacement of a busted laptop screen on a Dell Inspiron 1545. First off, you want to make sure your power source is disconnected, and you also want to make sure that you remove your battery. You don't want no power going to this unit as you're messing around inside it. The first thing you want to do is remove, in each spot here there is a little black screw cover. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 black screw covers there, and you can just take a little flathead screwdriver and remove those. Alright, next you've got 6 screws that you need to remove right underneath where your screw covers were, and for this you'll use a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, a small jeweler type screwdriver. From here, you'll go back to your flat-tipped screwdriver and go underneath the front bezel here, just popping away as you go, real lightly. Don't apply a whole lot of pressure. Once you get that first side off, the rest of it goes pretty quickly. It does take a little bit of pressure, not a whole lot. If you pull too hard, you may break this. This is kind of flimsy plastic. So be forceful enough that you can get it off without causing any major damage. Next, you'll gently lay your screen down here. Take this little tab right here, pull back on it, and pull straight out. That releases the unit. That's our video cable right there. Now we've got our unit, our screen completely taken out. There are 3 screws on each side of this little frame. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove those screws. And when you're done, you've got your screen, your old busted screen completely removed, and your 2 frame pieces for the ends there. Get your new screen out, get it ready. It'll come with a plastic casing on the front of it, just to keep it safe from scratches and whatnot while you're installing it. Leave that plastic sleeve on the front of it, but you can take the very edges of this tape that they put on there off so that you can get your frame pieces put back on. we've got our frames screwed back onto our new screen with the screen cover still on. We're going to lay the screen with the screen cover still on it on the keyboard gently. We're going to take our video cable and we're gently going to place it back in where it belongs. And then once you get everything back in, go ahead and push your tacky side to the tape back down there. Now just gently lean your screen back. Everything is now in place where it should be. Go ahead and remove your screen protector. And install your front bezel back on the unit. Push down, making sure it snaps into place all the way around. Now that you've got everything all snapped into place, on the bottom of the bezel you may have to push on both sides, front and back of the screen. Just do it gently. You'll hear them snap into place everywhere around. Now we can go back, put all our screws back in. Then go ahead and take your screw covers that you removed just a minute ago, place them back over your screws. There you have it. Next, you can go ahead and put your battery back inside. Go ahead and put the power in. Power the unit up. And as you can see, got a nice, beautiful screen booting up into Windows right now. And there we can go. As you can see, the screen is a beautiful color. Bright, crisp picture, sharp, glossy finish. So we've just replaced a busted, broken LCD screen out of this Dell Inspiron 1545 and put a brand new screen in. Thank you for watching.